How to make an inventory system on Roblox Studio. In this version, players have items with them from the start of the game and can create items indefinitely. Create the items you want, give them a proper name. In this example, I made 3 types of items: group model, part, and union models. I recommend you to make them part and union, which is the most convenient for you to work with, but I will demonstrate how to use the group model for you to study. Select all items in a folder named Objects. Move this folder to replicated storage and create a remote event named CreateInventoryObject. Add Screen GUI and Starter GUI. Name Inventory GUI. Create a button named Toggle Button to open and close the inventory frame. Create a frame named Inventory Frame and insert a button to create your items. Name the button Your Item Button for convenience and easy understanding. Add local script to Inventory GUI. Writing the script. This script makes it easy for players to open their inventory and create objects through the GUI. Setting up references. Make sure you name your references correctly. In the button section, edit this section. Change the word "your" to the name of your item. Make sure that the name of this section is the same as the button you created. You can also copy this section. Rewrite it on a new line in the same way, depending on the name and number of buttons you have. Make the inventory frame hidden at the start of the game and have a toggle button control the opening and closing of this frame. When the CreateObject button is pressed, the script sends a remote event to the server to create the corresponding object in the game. The name here must match the object name in the Objects folder. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script will make an object appear in front of the player. Checks if the object exists inside replicated storage. Clones and moves the object into workspace. Positions the object in front of the player. If the object is a model, it makes sure it has a primary part before moving it. If the object is a single part, it moves normally. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.